It's Advent time again, so I am back on my Build-A-Bear. So, here it is. It's so big. Let's go with number 6. And number 6, remember last time we got a bear. And number 6 this time is a cute little bunny. That's cute. So, we're going to find out what outfit the bunny gets. So, 7. They really do hook them in there. It's really cute. There's a top. And there would be breeches. No, I don't think they're breeches. I think these go on the ears. I'm not sure. Let's go to 9. Oh, this is cute. These definitely go around the ears. Those are cute. Let's go to 10. 10, they hold in their hand. And 10 would be a mocha. That's awesome. So, let's get this one down, and let's get our bunny dressed. This is super cute. I hope this one will go over the bunny's head. Sometimes they're hard to dress. But, my bear disappeared off my desk while I was asleep one night. And next thing I know, I see Wednesday running around the house with the bear. So, I think my cat has claimed my mini Build-A-Bear from the first 5 days. Oh, this is super. That's just too cute. I guess they're shoes. They're shoes. The little green things. They're shoes, I guess. I'm trying to put them on. They are shoes. Alright. Let's get them on. Yes, I'm dressing a miniature bunny. Because I have nothing better to do. I'm teasing. I absolutely love doing this. This is one of my favorite advents I've ever had. I think my most favorite advent I ever had was the Cadbury one I got from Daniel from the Pawpaw guys. So tell me in the comments what your favorite advent you've ever had was. If you never had an advent, what would be your favorite advent to have? Do you want an advent? Do you believe in advents? And what would be your favorite advent to have? I love advents. I've been doing them since I was a child. I like that. When you're little, though, it's hard to be patient to open them day by day, And then sometimes I just want to open them all at once. I do have another advent that's a 12-day, but I will probably open that one all at once. But this has been so much fun opening this advent. Now, granted, I am doing 5 days at once, but this is so cute. I'm going to have to hide her from my cat. But isn't she adorable? She's got a dress on, little shoes, and her latte. I think that would be a peppermint latte. Oh, wait, there she is. That's cute. I love this. You get 5 miniatures, and this is from the Build-A-Bear website. It is not expensive. It's well worth it to get 5 of these little miniatures. So even if you wanted to get this for one of your kids or your grandkids, and just give it to them on Christmas, I think it's worth it. I love this. And the other one I got is a crochet one, and I got it from Etsy, but it did only come in a plain box, and I hate having to go through and find the numbers. I did put all my empty boxes in here from the last time. I don't know why. I just kept them. So what I think I'm going to do, I'm trying to get these empty boxes in here, is just grab 5 boxes, just to make it a little more expedient. There's 1, 2, there's 3, here's 4 boxes. Let me get that one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. I'm just going to grab boxes and open them up. Alright, so this was done by a lady on Etsy, and I really like the way she's done this. Pretty much every box comes with a little bit of polyfill, and I have a bag over here I'm stuffing the polyfill in. Oops, yep, make sure, yeah. Which is so cool. Oh, look. I love that. Look at that. Amigurumi eyes. There is a note. And I'm blind as a bat. It says safety eyes, great for amigurumi. That's cool. And she includes a video to watch a hack for making it easier to attach. And I'm just going to fold the boxes. I'm thinking about saving these boxes and doing an advent for a friend next year. That's what I'm thinking about doing. And of course, more polyfill. There's polyfill in every box. There is a paper and a little box. And it's really cute. It's got little hearts on it. I don't know if you can see that. There they go. Little hearts on it. And you open it up. Oh, look at that. That is handmade. That is a handmade tension ring. Very nice. And you get a tutorial for a tension ring on how to use it. That's nice. That's a nice box. So I'm going to keep using these boxes, putting them to the side. That way I can, use them over again, as I already said, repeatedly. Polyfill. And this one is filled, wow, with bunches and bunches of crocheted related stickers. Oh my gosh, there are so many of them. I don't think you guys want me to sit here and go through all of them, but let me try to spread them out some more. There they are. There's a lot of crochet stickers in there. All right, let's go for another one. I'll fold that one up in a minute. I think I'm opening them up from the bottom. There's more polyfill. I don't know what's in that thing. We have another note. This says, type the web address for the crochet necklace pattern. And there's the beads in here. Nice. And that is the same yarn they used to make our crochet necklace that we saw in the first Advent video. I like they had the little cutter on it. I like that. This one, again, more polyfill, which is spectacular. We have a Sharpie that's on like a little thing for a key ring. I really love it. I don't even mind the notes. I like the little notes. It's kind of cool. It's like a little treasure in every box. These are right-on stitch markers. Write notes of your projects on the white bead, such as hook size or the type of stitch. and erase with nail polish remover or rubbing alcohol and reuse. Oh, I love that. This is one of my favorites out of the whole Advent. Write on beads. There's 3 of them, and we can write on them with this marker, and then we can clean them and reuse them over and over again. I love this. Is probably one of my favorite things out of the whole box. I absolutely love that. I am going to get the link. I know I didn't get the link for the first one. I'm going to get the link to her Etsy store, and I am going to put it in the description box this time. I love this Advent. It was not expensive. I absolutely love it. I love every little thing that I'm getting out. They're little treasures. And I know you're like, oh, that's small, that's polyfill. This is just from 3 boxes. And she's got polyfill in almost every single box. You're going to end up with a large amount of polyfill. It's my cold medicine. You're going to end up with a large amount of polyfill to be able to do some amigurumis with, which is spectacular. And if you don't do amigurumis, you may want the polyfill to someday later use to do a pillow or something along that nature. So I love this Advent. This Advent is spectacular. Thumbs up, hooks up, whatever. I love it. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.